Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining your account. Follow these steps to address any issues with your FlowEV billing. Step 1. Review your bill. Carefully examine your billing statement for any discrepancies. Look for incorrect charges, unexpected fees, or any services you did not use. Make a note of specific errors to discuss later. Step 2. Gather documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to FlowEV's customer support via their official website or customer service number. Explain the billing error clearly and provide the documentation you gathered to assist in resolving the issue. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer support. Keep a record of all communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If the issue remains unresolved after following up, consider escalating the matter. Ask to speak with a supervisor or file a formal complaint through FlowEV's official channels to ensure your billing error is addressed promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors with FlowEV. Stay organized and persistent to ensure a smooth resolution.